There's a lot of very big catalysts that are taking place this week for cryptocurrencies that could potentially have a massive effect on the Dogecoin and crypto prices. So stay tuned because we are going to be talking and discussing what some of these catalysts are. We're also going to be talking about some very good pieces of news. What's up, everyone? My name is Myles, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell because I make videos every single day about Dogecoin, and I cover all of the cryptocurrency news, and I teach you additionally how to make money through technical analysis. If you want to get access to my trailers, when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join the Patreon, which is in my top pinned comment or in my video's description. We can talk on the phone. I can build you a portfolio. We have a bunch of services that you can get access to, including the 4,000 member chat group community called Discord. Now we are going to go ahead and get started with this video, but before we do so, make sure you all smash up the like button and let me know in the comments below, do you think we are going to have a green week for cryptocurrencies? Are we going to see a green week? Let me know in the comments below and let's talk about it. And congratulations to Corey Jones, you won the 200 Doge giveaway. I've been trying to get in contact with you, so make sure you check your notifications on your YouTube. Also, you can follow my Instagram story. I did announce you, and you can message me on there so that we can get you your 200 Doge. I'm also giving you away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments. All right, so we have a lot of very good catalysts that are going to be taking place this week, which I think are going to have a very strong and positive effect on the entire crypto market and not only Dogecoin. Before we talk about those catalysts, let's talk about some headlines in the crypto market. Some very good pieces of news, no bad news as I'm seeing. It is all bullish, all very positive across the board. So this article says strong Bitcoin accumulation spotted as Bitcoin prices refuses to fall below 30,000. So the bulls have control of Bitcoin. They're not letting it get below 30,000, obviously, and it's really hard to get the price of Bitcoin below 32 and 33,000. Right now, Bitcoin is trending up, and as of this afternoon, we started to see cryptocurrencies start to move up very strongly. So this is very good to see. It's definitely very good to see some green across the board before the Asia markets really start to open up, which could definitely propel the price even further into the green. But most importantly, this article is talking about accumulation. There's a lot of accumulation happening right now all across the board with cryptocurrencies. And what this shows is a lot of people are buying right now. All of the sellers are pretty much out of the market. All the paper hands, they're gone. They lost their money. But the people who have diamond hands, the people that are accumulating, they are setting themselves up for some massive gains about to be taking place in the next couple of months with cryptocurrencies. And look at this piece of news. Option traders aim for $100,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2021. Is there a chance? I'm asking you, is there a chance for Bitcoin to hit 100,000 by the end of the year? And this is very important because Bitcoin is pretty much one of the slowest and most conservative crypto plays out there, right? And all cryptocurrencies other than, Bitcoin, most of the altcoins, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, a lot of the coins that we know, Ethereum Classic, they always outperform Bitcoin. That's what the altcoins do. They can pump harder and faster, especially because they're a lot cheaper. And it takes less money to move the markets in a faster way with the altcoins. So if Bitcoin can basically 3x from now, let's say Bitcoin hits 100,000, and I'm thinking Bitcoin will easily hit 100,000 by the end of the year. That's a very conservative estimate on my part. That's personally what I think. So if Bitcoin can 3x by the end of the year, what do you think will happen to a bunch of other cryptos? Whenever we see Bitcoin, let's say, whenever you see big pumps with Bitcoin, when Bitcoin goes up 10%, generally Dogecoin is at 15, 20%, maybe 30. Ethereum is also like up 20%, 25% whenever Bitcoin is up 10%. So what do you think Dogecoin will do if Bitcoin 3x's? I'm thinking Dogecoin will easily 5 to 6x by the end of the year from this current price. So that could potentially bring us to $1.50, closer to $2 if Bitcoin hits a low estimated number of 100,000. So we take a look at this chart here. We are seeing a lot of interest. People who are basically placing their bets, they've already placed their bets that Bitcoin is going to hit a certain number. And the call options are basically people that betted that Bitcoin is going to go up, and if it does hit certain numbers, they will make a lot of money. The call options goes all the way up to $200,000 just on this chart alone. And the $200,000 strike price is actually the one that has the most open interest, which basically means most of the people have betted that Bitcoin will hit close to $200,000. But we're also seeing a lot of interest in the $100,000 mark. So that goes to show that people with billions of dollars who have bet billions of dollars are betting billions of dollars that Bitcoin is going to hit at least $100,000 by the end of the year. So if Bitcoin can do that, maybe Bitcoin will hit 150. Maybe Bitcoin will hit further. Who knows? Bitcoin might not get to 100,000, but I'm definitely thinking Bitcoin will hit way above 100,000. My low estimate number for Bitcoin is to hit 130K. That's what I'm personally thinking. But if Bitcoin can do that, what do you think will happen to the altcoins like Ethereum, Cardano, especially Dogecoin? As I've been telling you all in almost every single video, look, we have this massive adoption that is just taking place at a very rapid rate. Almost every single day, another country, another bank, somebody huge is jumping into crypto. And we are seeing this clearly in this article. Another large bank in South Korea says another large bank, not just, a large bank, another. So it's showing that there's other large banks who have already done this. But it says another large bank in South Korea to provide custody of crypto assets. Worry Financial Group is joining forces with Bitcoin exchange CoinPlug to offer the service. So it says one of South Korea's largest banking companies getting into digital asset custody. This is very, very good news. That's potentially trillions of dollars, maybe billions of dollars at first, jumping into cryptocurrencies. This is very, very good. And it's just beginning to happen. The adoption of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is just starting. It's starting off really with Bitcoin and Ethereum, Cardano, and some of these other crypto assets, but eventually it's going to start taking place where banks and big institutions are not only going to get just into Bitcoin, Ethereum, some of these other altcoins, they're going to get into Dogecoin, they're going to get into even smaller coins than that. And when the more people put their money and jump into cryptocurrencies, when banks have to jump into cryptocurrencies, in order for them to be able to provide cryptocurrency trading and allow their clients to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, they have to buy the crypto first. Most of them have to buy the crypto first so that their customers can buy the crypto from them. So that is huge. It's going to bring billions and billions and billions upon billions of dollars into cryptocurrencies, and it's just taking place, but it's at a very rapid pace. So in 2 or 3 years down the road from now, this massive adoption is just going to be bigger and bigger, probably 10, 50, 100x from what it is now. And for a lot of you Ethereum lovers out there is an option expiration with billions of dollars. People have bet billions of dollars that Ethereum is going to hit $50,000 by March 2022. That is absolutely crazy. Did you guys ever imagine that Ethereum could potentially hit $50,000 by next March? There's billions of dollars of people betting, money betting that Ethereum is going to do just that. So that is very, very, very bullish to see, especially as we have these major updates that are happening to Ethereum this month. Actually, August 4th is when the EIP 1559, the London hard fork, is going to go fully live. And this update is going to bring a lot of institutions, a lot of money in Ethereum that was never there before. And it's going to cause a massive spike in the price in time. It might not be right away, but it's going to cause a massive exodus into the Ethereum blockchain, a lot of money flowing into altcoins in Ethereum, especially after this update. So it's very possible, from what these people are saying, that Ethereum could potentially hit close to $50,000 by next March. I definitely would hope for Ethereum to hit 20 to 30K by that time. That's why I'm accumulating as much Ethereum as I can. And in the Patreon, we are definitely announcing buy entries into Ethereum, Cardano, and a bunch of other cryptocurrencies. So Ethereum is one of my most bullish holdings. It is one of my biggest holdings, something that I hold dearly to my heart. Now, how high do you think Ethereum can hit by March 2022? What do you all think Ethereum is going to do at that time? So ladies and gentlemen, this week we have a lot of very, very big catalysts that are going to be taking place for the crypto market. It might not have an immediate effect on the price, no, but it's definitely something that's going to be very bullish. But I definitely think that there is certainly a possibility that there could be a drastic effect on the cryptocurrency price, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum included. The first thing is the child tax credit is going to be taking place this week, and most of these people are going to be investing that money, putting into Dogecoin, cryptocurrencies, Ethereum. That's going to be really good. So we might see a potential spike, very similar to the massive spike we saw in the stock market and cryptos last year, with the stimulus money getting put and injected into the stock market and the U.S. economy, cryptos. We also have Paraguay with this major bill coming out this week also to potentially make Bitcoin their legal currency. We have a lot of very big things that are happening. And then next week, the week after, we have Elon Musk. He's going to be speaking at the B Word event. So make sure you all register for that. It's a Bitcoin conference. Jack Dorsey, Kathy Wood is going to be there. A lot of big Bitcoin people, crypto people are going to be there. And I'm thinking something big is going to be happening here very soon. Tesla accepting Bitcoin, Dogecoin. So it's not going to be very far off, ladies and gentlemen, before the bull run starts again. So we have a lot of very big things happening. So that's why we are accumulating. That's why we're buying while things are at a major discount. Dogecoin's at like a 70% discount. Bitcoin was at a 50% discount. Ethereum, 50 or 60% discount. Major discounts in the crypto market. And once these things take off, you're going to probably regret, well, man, I wish I would have bought more. I would have done this. And every one of us says this. Once the crypto market takes off, like, oh, I thought it was going to be forever. I wish I would have bought more. So are you going to be one of those people saying, oh, I wish I would have bought more? Or are you going to be saying to yourself, yes, I'm so glad I bought the dip. I knew it was going to play out. Most importantly, let's take a look at the crypto market on the charts real quick. So this afternoon, we definitely saw some green with cryptos, especially Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a pretty decent pump. It looks like we might continue throughout tonight until tomorrow. So there might be a very green day in the crypto market tomorrow. Cardano is looking good. Ethereum, everything's kind of, the altcoins are really kind of consolidating. Bitcoin is taking the greater market share. So Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, they did move up a little bit today, but they are still kind of just consolidating, not really doing much. They're going up very, very slowly, but Bitcoin is definitely taking the lead in the market share right now, as we are seeing a lot of green with Bitcoin. So in the crypto market, Dogecoin, we're just kind of consolidating, we're chilling, but things are green. They're slowly green. So hopefully this green can continue on until tomorrow. If you guys want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, use my WEBULL link. If you deposit $100, they will give you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can buy Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, stocks, or just sell anytime and send to your bank account. So that's going to be it for the video. If you guys got something out of this video, I would ask that you would smash up the like button, share this video with some of your friends and family, and I will see you all tomorrow. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just my own opinion. Love you guys. Have a good night.